Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Fritz, Fritz. Happy October. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 65 degrees, cloudy and breezy here in the valley on this Wednesday afternoon. At the time of this recording, the current air quality index, AQI, for Wenatchee is 58. Oh, getting better. The lower the number, the better the quality. Do you know what time it is? Well, of course you do. That's why you're here, isn't it? A new month, new taste test. Today, I'm going to try, whoa, the Nutter Butter Bites peanut butter sandwich cookies. Wow. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them are. Now, I should say, full disclosure, I've had these many times in my lifetime, so I'm not covering new territory. I just wanted to have an official record of this product's review. Now, this 1 ounce package has an expiration date of April 21st, 2026. Now, I should say, full disclosure, I received this package for free. It was sitting in a glass bowl along with a wide assortment of other snacks on the table in the break room. So I don't have the price point information for viewers at home or wherever you're watching this. And I don't know who contributed to the snacks in the bowl in the break room. So I just want to say thank you to whoever did that. Gearing up for the holiday that's taking place at the end of this month. Oh, starting early with the snacks. Oh. Now, I should say, full disclosure, Mondelez International is not a sponsor of this video. Snackworks is not a sponsor of this video. Nabisco is not a sponsor of this video. The Celeste Corporation is not a sponsor of this video. And I'm going to go out on the limb and say that this came from Winco. So therefore, I'm just assuming. But regardless, Winco Foods is not a sponsor of this video. So I got that out of the way. Now I should mention that the glass bowl had 5 of these 1 ounce packages, along with Chips Ahoy and Wheat Thins and also Oreos. So a wide assortment. Maybe tomorrow I'll grab another bag. I'll do something else, another review. But today I'll do this one. There we go. Nice, pleasant peanut butter aroma. Okay. Nice little bite-sized pieces. Nice and firm. Cheers, everybody. Oh, yeah. Whoop. Nice, satisfying initial crunch. And then this wonderful, smooth peanut butter flavor from start to finish. The center of the sandwich cookie is very creamy, very smooth, decadent, not oily. I appreciate the ratio of the peanut butter to the cookie itself. Well balanced. I also love the bite size. Good portion control. I can have this without getting carried away from eating so many sweet things at once. I can see, if I was to get another bag, I can see putting this in my lunch pail or even in my vest pocket and just munch on these on my break. Very portable, easy to take. It doesn't need refrigeration. Anytime's right time for a snack. Kids, adults. The peanut butter itself is not overly sweet. Well seasoned. The cookie isn't bland. I could see crumbling this up and have it on an ice cream sundae. Ooh. Or just a little bit of whipped cream and put a Hershey's Kiss on it on top. Something different. But just as it is, it's classic peanut butter start to finish. What a treat. Treat yourself to something special. It's a new month, a new day. Whoa. Now, with all that being said, the peanut butter, it reminds me of a mix between Jif and Adam's brand. If you took those two together, that's what the peanut butter in this Nutter Butter reminds me of. I just can't get enough. Welcome to the show. Whoa. Whoa. Chewy. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Nutter Butter Bites peanut butter sandwich cookies. Ladies and gentlemen, where's that band? We gotta strike up the band, break out the champagne, get out there on that dance floor, because I'm giving these a solid 10 out of 10. It's just a nice peanut butter snack. Get you through the day. Take it on the go. Do I recommend this? Yes. Yes, I do. Would I have it again if given the opportunity? Yeah, no doubt about that. Tastes great. Oh, well, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere. Have a wonderful October.